Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay, so you're welcome back. Okay, so in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you an anti-aging and a skin tightening remedy. This skin tightening ingredient is actually very amazing, but before we go in here, you are highly welcome if this is actually your first time. And let me ask you, how are you and how is your day? For me, I'm beautiful. I'm glowing. I'm blushing. Okay, so let me take you right into the video. Okay, do not forget to give me a like, subscribe and share the video, and let's go. Okay guys, so this is an immediate skin tightening remedy. It works like magic. It helps you tighten up your skin and make you look super duper young. And this is egg, and in this we're going to be needing the egg white. Okay, so I'm actually going to be breaking in just the egg white, and that's just what we're going to be needing. Okay, so after breaking in the egg whites, you whisk it a little. And then also you're going to be needing some starch. Now you can actually use your cornstarch, okay, for this. This is actually meant to tighten up your skin, and it's meant to make you look super duper young, okay? So going to be taking about 1 tablespoon of the starch into the egg white, and then we whisk it again, mix it really well. Okay, so I'm actually going to be mixing that later. To make this ingredient work really well, you're going to be needing some honey. Now honey is a great skin moisturizing agent that helps so much for the skin. It helps to rejuvenate, make your skin look younger, glowing, natural looking and plump. Okay, so I'm actually going to be taking my honey, about 1 tablespoon. Now you have to make sure that your honey is organic, okay? If it's organic, you are on the right track of making this ingredient work really well, okay? So how you detect organic honey is when you take it, you put it inside anything or water, it just goes down to the bottom and sits for a while until you stir it, okay? Alright, so after that is done, we're going to be needing to use yogurt. Now yogurt contains a whole lactic acid, vitamin E and nutrients that helps to rejuvenate, make the skin look young and make the skin look super glowing. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be putting in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of this yogurt into this mix, and this is actually going to make it, you know, thick even more. Yeah, okay guys, so the last ingredient for this is sugar. Now because sugar has a smaller granite particles, it helps so much to rejuvenate the skin, scrub out dead skin cells, make the skin look evenly toned, and it equally make the skin look so young. Okay, so it remove whiteheads, blackheads and pigment. So we're going to be putting a whole lot of the sugar, and after that is done, then we stir this ingredient up really well. Now since I can't actually stir it really well, I'm gonna be using my manual mixer. The manual mixer is gonna finish the job for me. Yeah, it's gonna stir this really well and it's gonna be mixed very, very well. Okay guys, so this is it, and this is so amazing. It's gonna do a whole lot for my skin. Now you can actually apply it on your face and on your body. I'm actually applying it on my body, but I'm equally going to apply it on my face for you guys to see. Okay, so while I apply it on my body, I'm gonna leave it to dry for another 3 minutes. But let's go to the washroom. Let me just apply it on my face because I need my face to glow and to tighten up my face. This is actually very good for people who have sagginess and who are having problem with age skin. So let's go to the washroom. Let me show you how I'm going to be applying this. Okay guys, so this is my immediate skin tightening remedy, and I've actually kept it for a little while, and it smells really nice. I love it so good. So what you do is that you put it in, rub everywhere, make sure you rub it in a quantity. So I do is want to tighten the skin. Okay guys, so what you do now is that after applying this particular coat, you have to wait for a little while, for at least 3 minutes or thereabout, or 4-5 minutes. Or if it's where there's, you know, fresh air touching you, it's gonna dry a little, and then you apply it again. Okay, the reason for applying this again is so that when it dries, when the skin dry, you are not even going to be able to laugh, because it's going to tighten your skin a whole freaking lot. Okay, so you see how shiny that is. Now when it dries, it's going to be really tight. Now this is actually going to help to tighten all of any wrinkles or any fine lines. So if you have any wrinkles or any fine lines around, just concentrate on that particular place to apply this, and it will help tighten it all up and firm your skin really good. Okay, this is actually going to make your skin smooth like that of a baby, and it's going to make your skin glow, because when you actually peel it off or wash it off, you're going to see that your skin is going to change, like literally. Okay, the third time you apply this, you're going to testify. So you just give this a go, and I'm actually going to be leaving it for it to dry. When it dries, I'll go wash my face off, and I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Okay, so I'll be back. That's it guys. You have to be consistent in this to see a very visible result. Okay, it's going to help you to, you know, remove some fine lines and make your skin really plump and beautiful. So this is actually a natural Botox. Okay, you don't actually need nothing. Just apply this, scrub it first, although I didn't scrub mine, but scrub it first and then you apply it again, and this is going to be really amazing. Okay, so if you did enjoy watching the video, please give me a like, subscribe and share the video, and I will see you again. Bye.